Part 1. What numbers do you like? Well, personally, I think my most preferred numbers are 6 and 8 because according to the Oriental culture, these numbers are regarded as lucky numbers too. Yes, I remember that number 6 represents fortune and number 8 symbolize prosperities. And with regard to numerology, my ruling number is also number 6, and I just love the meaning of this number bringing to me as a caretaker, a typical mother, and a wholehearted person. I love this random matching. Okay, what numbers are important to you? Actually, I think the essential numbers for me are just related to my personal details, such as my ID number, my phone number, and my bank account number. I just embed those numbers into my mind, so recalling these numbers in any cases is just effortless for me. Are you good at remembering numbers? Actually, I don't think I am good at remembering numbers except for my personal details, as I've just said. So yeah, I can remember, and I think I won't never forget those numbers related to myself. But in other aspects, I mean, regarding math or statistics or logistics, I think those numbers are quite intricate. So yeah, I find hard to memorize those numbers. I think I should find some ways, so I should learn more the techniques or strategies to memorize those numbers. Do you need to use numbers in the future? I would say a big yes. I'm running my own business, so I'm working with numbers every day. I just storage the data related to my customer information, like ages, phone number, and address. I think in the future I'm expanding my club, so yeah, I have to put those numbers into the big data so that I can save it for the future. Right, 2. Do you always bring a lot of keys with you? No, I don't actually. I just have a few important keys on a small bunch. One is to my motorbike key, and another is to my personal cupboard. I don't have to bring my house key because there's always someone available at my house. Yes. Have you ever lost your key? So sad to say, unfortunately, it happens to me on a quite regular basis. Actually, I think I'm sort of absent-minded, so I just misplace the key and make my room a real mess later. Once it used to be with me, so that I had to call the locksmith for help with my personal cupboard. Yeah, I think I should be more careful and organized in case of losing the keys again. Do you forget keys and lock yourself out? Well, the former did happen several times, as I just already told, but fortunately the latter has never happened to me. Yeah, I think because if I don't have my house keys with me, but as I've just shared, there's always someone available in my house and looking after my house. So yeah, I don't know if that happens to me, yeah, I just don't cannot imagine how would I be. Do you think it's a good idea to leave your keys with a neighbor? Well, I don't think so. In my case, I just say a big no, because I used to leave my key with my neighbor, but it's just in security. I think it's better to save than sorry. So keys are important to me. So I think I will always hold the key with me, as we are inseparable. Yeah. So again, I wouldn't leave my key with my neighbor.